about motorways means talking about secure parking. At Abertis Autopistas, we take care of transport professionals and therefore we work to offer a response to their needs. Truck Park opens its gates to a new concept of service for transport professionals. Truck Park is more than just a rest area. It is a convenient, safe solution so that you can enjoy your time off, knowing that the goods and the cab are not at risk. Somewhere which has exclusive facilities without having to come off the motorway, with exclusive access with Via T and TIS-PL that guarantee safety. In the Montseny and the Porta de Barcelona service areas, and strict security systems throughout the site provide peace of mind for Truck Park customers. "24 hours a day. Truck Park has a growing number of users, but not just because of the convenience and peace of mind when leaving your vehicle. Truck Park has top European level facilities, rest area, showers and free Wi-Fi access. With an exclusive offer in catering and discounts and the first hour of parking free of charge. Without a doubt, rest is the best option to make your journey safer, conveniently and efficiently. At Abertis Autopistas, we offer detailed, constantly updated information about the state of the traffic in real time. At autopistas.com, as well as in the social networks. At TruckTweet, we offer a response to transport professionals using the motorways. The main objectives of Abertis Autopistas are to adapt to the traveler's needs and to offer maximum quality in its services. We are connected to the world, and the world is connected to us. Abertis Autopistas, backing transport professionals.